Are you looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in bright white. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch gray aluminum wheels, power heated multifunction mirrors with manual foldaway, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7-inch LCD instrument cluster with tachometer, Uconnect 4 with 7-inch display, Park View rear backup camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, dual zone automatic temp control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3231A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.